In this tutorial, I will show you vertical type tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. So I'm in Adobe Illustrator. You can easily access the vertical type tool from here. So vertical type tool, enter vertical text at a point or in a container. So here is default font size. I am making it little larger, the font size. Okay, so I am clicking here. You can see the text in a text placed in vertical orientation. Okay, if I drag an area, then it will pasted the vertical text in the area. I have already you know how to change or transform a point type tool to vertical to area type tool. Okay, so if I click this double, so it is now area type tool. Also, if I double click here, this is area type tool. This is now point type tool. You can see the text are stretching now. Is stretched now. Okay. So there is also vertical area type tool, and last of all vertical type tool on a path tool. So I am creating a path here. You can see I am making a curvy, little bit curvy path. Make it. So here is the path. I am selecting vertical type on a path tool, and after this I am clicking. Where is it is show anchor? I am clicking here, and you can see that vertically text placed in that path. I can change the path from here. I can change the path orientations, make it any size. Okay, so you can see already I have discussed in the type tool. You can watch this tutorial, and I have today discussed about this is vertical type tool. So that was for this tutorial. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.